So good morning everyone once again. New chapter, chapter number 9, algebraic expressions and identities. Class, first, as per the, what do you say, circular, you have to do this course in a new notebook. If you have read, you must have got a new circular from school, and that is saying this new term 2 you have to do in new register. So please see. First, let me know what do we mean by expressions. Can you give me some example of expressions? We have already done this thing. Can you give me example of expressions? X comma y comma z. These are variables. I want an expression. Okay, Krishna. So class, first of all, what is algebra? It is that part of mathematics which deals with all these variables, constants, and we have these formulas, we have plus, minus, into, and all these things. This all comes in algebra. Ananya, you are correct but not completely. Hiten is correct. Joel is correct. Smriti is correct. Sarthak correct. Darpan correct. Krishna correct. Ananya, you have done a mistake. You have written the equation with equal to mark. Yes, you also. No, beta, old copy is not wasted. You can use it later on. Okay, now see, what is the expression? We have seen expression is a combination of variables and constants having some operators. In chapter number 2, we have seen it is a combination of variables and constants having some, what you say, operators like x plus y, z plus 7, 3x plus 8. These all are algebraic expressions. As soon as you put a equal to mark, they become, yes, just correct beta. As soon as you put a equal to mark, they become equation. So x plus y is equal to 3 is a equation. Z plus 7 equal to 8 is a equation. This way we have got this thing. Now, yes, Smriti, correct beta. Now what do we have? Okay, we all have done this thing, terms, factors and coefficients. Just a what you say, a revision. Tell me how many terms are there in this example. I'm giving you example. 3x plus 2y is equal to 6. How many terms are there? This is a term, this is a term, and this is a term. So this is a term. Okay. Now, what is coefficient of x? Class, what is coefficient of x? Coefficient means whatever is getting multiplied with the x is its coefficient. So in this case, coefficient is 3. What is coefficient of y? What is coefficient of y? What is coefficient of y? Just correct beta. What is coefficient of y? It is 2. So this we have seen. Now we have, suppose I give you x plus y equal to 3. Now tell me what is coefficient of x? Because this all we have done already. You can just write a hint of all these things. What we are doing over here. This is your classwork only. Okay. We have already done these things in chapter number 2. That is why I'm not explaining again. The coefficient of x here is nothing. So we can take it as 1 from our side. It will be 1. Similarly, coefficient of y is also 1. Now, if the question is x minus y is equal to 3, what is coefficient of y? Class, if question is x minus y is equal to 3, what is coefficient of y? It is minus 1. Okay, it is minus 1. Now, let's see the example of monomial, binomial and polynomial. If you remember, we have done monomials, binomials. Yes, but Sarneet, I guess as per the rule you have to do that. Class, tell me what is a monomial? Please tell me what is a monomial? Class? Yes, mono means single. Just like monorail, mono means single. If there is only one term, it is a monomial, like 3x equal to 0, like this. You can say it is a monomial. Binomial means two terms, like 3x plus 7y. It is a binomial. If I say trinomial, it will be 3x plus 2y plus 2z, like this. It is having three terms. It is example of trinomial. You can see in your book page number 138, they have given many examples for monomial like 4x square, 3xy minus 7z. So these all are example of monomial. They have only one term. In this case also, binomial, they have example like a plus b, 4l plus 5m. You can observe there are two terms. What about four term? You can have beta. Quadrinomial, the terms are, suppose when there are four terms, it is not in your course, I guess. You can take like 2p plus 3q plus 2m plus 1n equal to 0. This is example of four terms. Sir, please add whom beta? Okay, one Edwin Samarth. Now, so we have seen example of binomial, trinomial and these terms. Now we will see like and unlike terms. Class, now we will see like and unlike terms. This chapter is very easy. It is based on chapter number 2 only. Sir, what do we say to four terms? I don't remember much. I think we call it quadrinomials. Let me check again, okay? And then I will let you know. Now, like and unlike terms. Now, tell me what algebraic expressions are known as like terms. If they have same variable, if terms have same variable. We all know if someone gives you 2x plus 3x plus 7x, we can add this thing, class. What is the answer? What is the answer of this thing? Because they are like terms, they have same variable, we can say answer is 12x. Very good. If I say 12xy plus 2yx, are they like terms, class? If I say 12xy plus 12yx, sorry 2yx, are these like terms? What is the answer? Yes, class. Are these two like terms? Yes, because x into y is same as y into x because product is commutative. What is the answer? Answer is 14xy. Very good. Vansh, Vardhan, Rachit, all are correct. Okay, Abhinav is also confirming it is a quadrinomial only. So it is a quadrinomial. Now, class, let's see the next one, unlike terms. When we have different variables, then it is a unlike terms. Like I have 4x plus 3y. Can we add these two, class? Can we add 4x and 3y? No, because these are unlike terms. X is coming in one term, y is coming in next term. They are unlike terms, they cannot be added. Okay, so I guess this part is also clear to you. Now comes another important part, that is addition and subtraction of these expressions. Let's see the next concept, addition and subtraction of expressions. Now I will give you some examples and you have to try on your own the answer. Okay, let us try this one. Example I'm giving you, add 5x square minus 2x plus 1 and 3x square plus 5x. Tell me the answer. You have to add these two expressions and tell me what is the answer. Do it fast. Sir, if a variable is getting multiplied, then it's taken as single term. Joel, don't worry, beta. We will have questions of multiplication also. At that time, you can ask. Okay. So, but if value is given, that we can add now. Yes, if value is given, then you can add. If x is given to you, y is given to you as numerical value, you can put the value and you can add easily. Okay. Now find the answer of these two, class. Okay, Vansh is saying 8x square, 5x1. Yuvraj saying same thing, 8x square plus 3x. Yuvraj is saying different. One answer came from Vansh, 8x square plus 5x plus 1. From Yuvraj, answer came 8x square plus 3x plus 1. Others, please try. Sarah also giving this answer of Yuvraj. Rachit is giving something else. Rachit is saying the answer is 42x plus 1. Rachit, please check one more time. Vardhan also confirming this one. Yuvraj is correct. Abhinav is saying, okay, let's see how to do the addition part. It is very easy. Just like this. We have to add 5x square minus 2x plus 1 plus 3x square plus 5x. Class, just keep one thing in your mind. Always write the complete number in bracket. Never ever write them without bracket, because everything new comes in bracket. Now we have to open the bracket. It becomes 5x square minus 2x plus 1. As outside is plus sign, nothing will change. Now tell me, what are the like terms? But I don't go for column method. I don't go for column method. My method is different. If you want to go for column method, it is your choice. You can do. Okay. My method is different. First, tell me what are like terms. These two are like terms. I will write them together. I will write them together like this. Now tell me what is the like terms remaining. Minus 2x and 5x. Minus 2x plus 5x. What is left? Plus 1. Now what I have done is I have written all the like terms together. Now tell me, class, 5x square plus 3x square. What is the answer? Class, what is answer of 5x square plus 3x square? 8x square. Very good. And how it came actually? Like this. Class, try to understand how it came. We have 5x square plus 3x square. We actually take x square common. If x square is common, we have left with 5 plus 3. It becomes 8, and that is why this answer came. But we normally write directly the answer as 8x square. Similarly, what is answer of these two? Class, what is answer of minus 2x plus 5x? What is answer of minus 2x plus 5x? My God, we have plus 5 and minus of 2. So answer is plus 3x, beta. Those who are saying 7x. Dhanishta, beta, what happened, Dhanishta? It is negative sign. What happened? Dhanishta, please see this thing, beta. Minus 2x plus 5x. If you take x common, Dhanishta, see. If you take x common, class, tell me, what will come at the first place? If you take x common, what will come at the first place? Class, please answer. What will come at the first place? Minus 2, beta. And after that we have a plus sign. Now what will come? What will come at the second place? 5. That is why we got the answer as 3x. Okay. Let us take some more examples. So the answer is 8x square plus 3x plus 1. Now solve one more example for me. Example number 2. Now I know most of you will do a mistake. Let me see who is going this correct. Subtract 3x square plus 2x from 7x square plus x. Suppose I take minus 2x plus 3. Now tell me, what is the answer? Yes, Harshul, good beta. Class, find this. Subtract 3x square plus 2x from 7x square plus minus 2x plus 3. First, okay, just saying simple. Okay, beta, find the answer first and then I will see it is simple or not. I am preparing you for the first exercise. After this, you all are ready for the first exercise. Sarah is saying we don't need to write square of 8x. Okay, in the last one, I guess you are saying, Sarah. Okay. Once is saying 4x square. Once gave the answer. Again, the first one to give the answer. 4x square minus 4x plus 3. Vardhan is saying the same thing. Vansh and Vardhan, two V's have come. Hiteshri is giving a different answer. 10x plus 4x plus 3. 10x plus 4x plus 3. I guess she is saying it is 10x square. Okay. Rachit is saying 4x square minus 4x plus 3. So Rachit is same. VVR. Harshul is saying 4x plus 4 plus 7. Oh my god, different answer. Krishna is saying minus 4x square plus 3. Okay. Krishna came with a different answer first time. Minus 4x square plus 3, na Krishna? Okay. Krishna gave this answer. Now Shaurya is giving the same answer. 1x square 4x plus 3. Okay. Sir, 4x. Okay. Sarah is saying minus 4x plus 3. Sir, 4x. Okay. Now let's see. Let's see what do we have. Question is saying subtract this thing from this thing. So what will come first? Class, what will come first? This will come first. The second one will come first. So we will have the question as 7x square minus 2x plus 3. I have opened the bracket. It became plus into minus minus. Minus again a bracket 3x square plus 2x. Class, again I am reminding you, always put a bracket before starting the question, because if you have a negative sign, you can have the impact of it. Okay. Now tell me. Joel is saying 4x square minus 4x plus 3. Okay, Joel, yours is also correct. Sorry, not correct. I'm saying you have also given. Now see, open the brackets. Class, 7x square minus 2x plus 3. Tell me, when you open this bracket, what will happen? Class, when we open this bracket, this negative sign will make this negative. This negative sign will make this negative. So we will have minus 3x square. This negative will make this also negative, minus 2x. Now write the like terms together. So 7x square minus 3x square minus 2x minus 2x plus 3. So what we have done, we have written the like terms together. And now the answer is 7 minus 3, 4x square minus 2 minus 2 minus 4x plus 3. So those who gave the first answer, Vardhan, Vansh, Joel, all of you are correct who gave the first answer. Others, do you want to try one more question? Others, do you want to try one more question? Please tell. Yes. So this time I expect everyone to give the right answer. Okay, let's see. One more example in front of you, this one. So subtract, suppose I give you 3x cube plus 5x square minus 7x plus 2 from minus 8x cube plus 2x square minus 3x plus 5. Now find the answer. Find the answer fast. Subtract this first from this second. First tell me one thing, what should we do? Should we do second minus 1 or 1 minus 2? First tell me this thing, class. What should we go for? 2 minus 1 or 1 minus 2? First doubt that I have in my mind. Just is saying 2 minus 1. Hiteshri is saying 2 minus 1. Others please confirm. Please confirm fast. Shreya is saying the same thing. So it is clear to us. Subtract the first from second. So it is 2 minus 1. I hope it is clear to everyone. Now find the answer. Always use bracket in the first term. Find the answer fast. Time is less. Find fast, fast, fast. Vanshika, good beta. Find the answer. But little bit calmly, huh? So that answer is correct also. In hurry, if you give the wrong answer, it's wrong. This time Vardhan gave the answer as minus 11x cube. One second. Minus 11x cube minus 3x square plus 4x plus 3. Joel gave the same, no, Joel gave different answer. Minus 11x cube minus 3x square minus 10x plus 3. Okay, Yuvraj giving the answer minus 11x cube, okay, minus 3x square, okay, plus 4x plus 3. Okay, Yuvraj and this Vardhan are same. Vansh giving the answer minus 11x cube minus 3x square plus 4x. Vansh giving the same answer. Kirti is saying minus 11x cube minus 3x square plus 4x plus 3. Kirti coming to the first answer. Rachit saying the first answer. So maximum are saying first answer. I hope all of you are getting the first answer only. Joel, don't get disheartened. Let me check which one is correct. Maybe you are correct, or you can check once again what you have done. Let's see. Bhumi is saying first answer. Let's see. Again, we have to write like this. First term first. Vanshika is saying minus 11x cube plus 7x square plus 4 minus 4x plus 3. Okay, different one. Huh? Let me see now, class. First term is minus 8x cube plus 2x square minus 3x plus 5 minus sign. Again a bracket. 3x cube plus 5x square minus 7x plus 2. Now what will we do? We will open the, Krishna is again and again pressing his answer. So it is minus 11x cube minus, oh, Krishna gave a different answer. He is saying minus 11x cube minus 8x square plus 4x plus 3. Something different came from Krishna. Now Harshul, Smridhi, okay, now all of them are giving similar answer now. See my answer also. Just your answer is where, beta? All have them commented now. Just your answer is minus 11x cube minus 3x square plus 4x. Okay, yours is minus 4x. Okay, beta. I will see. Now, let's open the bracket. This bracket will open with no change because no sign is outside. So we will take it as simple minus 8x cube plus 2x square minus 3x plus 5. Now, this bracket will change because outside is a minus sign. This negativity will change everyone inside. They all were happy in their world. Suddenly, some negative power came to their door. As soon as they opened the door, this negativity came inside them. And now it became minus 3x cube minus 5x square This was already negative. This 7 was already negative. It became positive. He said, अब मैं और कितना नेगेटिव बनूंगा, -2. Okay, now see class, now we will write the like terms together. We will have minus 8x cube minus 3x cube, first two like terms. Second like terms are 2x square and this one, so minus plus 2x square minus 5x square. Third like term is 3x and 7x, so minus 3x plus 7x. Fourth like term is plus 5 and minus 2. I hope most of you must have got the answer. Most of you must have got the answer now. Where you have done the mistake, I guess most of you must have got the answer where you have done the mistake, and the answer is they two are of same sign, they will be added. 8 plus 3 is 11x cube and negative sign will remain. These two are of different sign, we have to subtract, it become 3x square, and sign, which sign will come class? Which sign will come here? Please answer. Which sign will come here? Minus sign will come. Thank you. Now again we have to subtract. Which sign will come? Which sign will come in this case? Plus sign will come. Plus 4x plus 3. This is the right answer. Who gave it? Minus 11x square. This one minus 3x square plus 4x plus 3. So whosoever gave these answer, they are correct. Okay, so we are getting now where we do the mistake in changing the sign. Yes, in changing only one sign you do the mistake. And now I guess we all are ready for the homework today, and I want all of you to do that homework on your own. Okay, now I'm stopping the recording. You can switch on your